Going viral isn't law, it's strategy. You don't need followers, expensive cameras, or years of experience. If you follow the step I share in this video, you will be shocked how fast you can grow. This is the lone lamp I wish I had when I started my first YouTube channel. First of all, welcome to Pretty Gold Media. I teach new YouTubers on how to start and grow their YouTube channel in just 30 days. Today, I'm going to show you how to start with zero, grow your audience, and make your first video go viral, even if you are brand new. Part 1, the viral mindset. Stop trying to be perfect. Focus on connection. Consistency beats talent. Think like a viewer. What will you click on? Part 2, the viral formula for beginners. Use the HIT method. That's H is for hook. Grab attention in the first seconds. You are making this mistake and it's ruining your content. I intrigue you. Make them stay. Most creators don't realize what they are doing wrong. See, transformation. Deliver clear value. Example, here is how to go from 0 to 1,000 of followers with just your phone. Extra tips. Keep video fast, no dead space. Use jump cuts, music and subtitle. Part 3. Your video viral content plan. Step by step. 1. Pick a niche. Example, mental health, fitness, pets, money tips, etc. 2. Identify pain points. What people are struggling with. 3. Create 3 video types. Educational, how to, tips. 2. Motivational, story, mistake I made. 3. Entertaining, challenges, behind the scenes. Part 4, post format. 1 long form video weekly, 3 to 5 short form video weekly. Part 5, the packaged content. Turn long form videos into TikTok, Reels, and Facebook posts or your YouTube shorts. This is a big strategy, I'm telling you this. Part 7, how to keep going. Celebrate small wins. First time viewers matters. Watch your analytics, click through rates, watch time, top videos, engage with comments, build your tribe. If you are ready to grow, type going viral in 2025 in the comment section and let's do this together. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.